What's happening, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, so today we are going to do a little bit of planting, right? If you remember, we planted the cilantro, the thyme, the basil, the Elvis parsley, the butter crunch, lettuce, mesclun, spinach. Now we got our seeds in the pots. Now we're gonna get our plants in the pots. And the first ones I bought froze. I put them outside, forgot about them overnight. We weren't supposed to have a frost, but we did. So that's jacked up. So they all died. Well, not all. A couple survived. A couple strong ones. So that's what we fun do. We're gonna put these plants in this here buckets. Shoop, shoop, shoop. Another one. Oh my gosh, I'm so strong. Get that done. All right, let's do it. All right, first things first. The sweet 100. That's a good pepper. That's a big pepper. And now, got 2 cukes. Cucumber 1 and tiny little cucumber 2. Boom. All accounted for. Make sure you make the biggest mess ever. Easy peasy. Booyah. There's one. Alright, we got straight 8. Heirloom cucumber. Chef Jeff's. GMO free. That means Bill Gates hasn't touched this one. So we're good. Oh, that's not good. Don't dump it like that.
Did you break it?
No. Almost. Booyah.
Hi, Dad.
Hey dear. Okay. Moving right
You
on.
can take your sweater off to get some more vitamin D.
Would I get more vitamin D if I took my sweater off?
Yeah.
Watch out, ladies.
Thank you.
Look at that vitamin D.
What's
Boom. I love these little peppers.
that? Oh, yeah.
These guys right here, they're like that big. They get, oh, they're so good. You just eat them like that with like a sandwich or just on their own. Love them. Sweet, crunchy, crispy. They're my favorite. Well, I'm giving it a new home.
New home, better than the old store.
That's right, better than the old store. Cardinal tomato.
Chef's tomato.
Chef Jeff, not Chief Jeff.
Oh.
This little guy. This one is the one that survived. This little cucumber.
Yeah.
Come on out.
He's not gonna.
Don't be shy, little guy. All right, hopefully you live, buddy. You gotta live for me, buddy boy. All right, last one. Boom, red pepper, delish.
Oh, I like red pepper. Cucumber. I like tomatoes. I like cucumber. I like pepper.
Easy peasy. That's it.
Easy peasy.
And that's how it's done. You just plant them like that, shazah.
Yeah. And the last one.
One other thing you don't want to forget to do is drill some holes at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. At the bottom of this bucket, drill some holes. Needs to be proper drainage, otherwise you're gonna flood them out and they're gonna rot. The roots will rot and all that goodness. So other than that, simple peasy lemon squeezies. One other thing, don't forget, right? You need a way to support these. See how they're kind of floppy? They need to be able to stand up. So I totally commissioned my girls to go into the neighbor's yard and grab some sticks from there for now until I can go out to the property and grab some actual stakes. But you don't want them falling over, getting winded and breaking and all that goodness, or badness I should say. So get to work. Booyah. Not too shabby. Now I just gotta get some twine and loosely tie it up against that, and that way if there's any strong wind, these bad boys is supported. So that's what we gonna do. Boom, it's already working. Look at that. There you go. Simple, short. Just another little video on the patio garden here. Again, if you're just following along to the channel and you're new, the idea is we sold our homestead, living in the city, building a new homestead out in the country again. But hey, it's coming along. If you want to keep following along on the build process and everything we do the whole shebang. We just butchered our animals. We just got rid of everything and starting from fresh, but you gotta have fresh veggies. You gotta. So we're keeping up the garden here, even if, yeah, I don't want to go all the way out to the homestead and, you know, water that jazz every day. So we're keeping it close, keeping it a little small, but hey, just enough to eat fresh. You know what I'm saying? My parents do big garden. My wife's parents do big garden, so they'll have plenty for us to can, or to share the can. So anyway, y'all take it easy. Till next time.